I have been thinking a lot about numbers recently, and I've been thinking a lot about numbers that I see around us. And so, here's some markers that I have. And I started thinking, do I need to count them one by one, or do I already know a number that I could count on from? And then I started thinking, look, I got two pink markers. I already know that. So I could start at two. Two, three, four. I've got four markers in all. See how I did that? It was a little bit quicker. That makes me think of what I want to talk to you about today, that mathematicians can count quickly without counting every dot or everything. And we're going to practice that a little bit today with some dot cards. The way that that's going to work is I'm going to show you a card and I'm going to hold it up just for a little bit and put it down. I'm going to do that 3 times with the same card. And when you see the card, I want you to think, what did I see? How did I see it? Did I see groups of dots? And maybe I can group those together and count on from there. Each of us are going to see these dots in different ways or different groups. And guess what? That's okay. Let's try this one. Remember, I'm going to show it to you one more time. Show me with your fingers what number you saw. Yeah, I saw 1 dot also. Let's take a look at another card. Now you have the idea of how it works. I'm going to show it to you again. What did you see and how did you see it? Did you say 2? Yeah, I saw 2. I saw 1 up in the corner and 1 in the other corner. And together they make 2. Let's try another one. One more time. Think about what did you see and how you saw it. You have it in your head? So I think I saw 4. I saw 2 up in one corner and 2 in the bottom corner. And so I could add those together and I got 4. Ooh, or maybe you saw 2 across and another 2 across. That's another way, and that's okay. Let's try another one. One more time. Think, what did you see and how did you see it? Let's look at it one more time. What number did you see? I saw that too. I saw the number 4. I saw 3 up in a corner and 1 down at the bottom. You may have said, well, I saw 1 down in the bottom and 3 up at the top. You may even have said, I saw 2 and then another 1 up in the corner. That's 3. And then I added 1 more on over here, 3, and then I went to 4. So that's 4. Look at that. There's lots of different ways you can count them up together. But the idea is, how can I count quickly without counting every dot? Let's try one more. Think about, what did you see and how did you see it? Show me with your fingers what you saw. I saw 5. Wait a minute. No, I actually saw 4. I saw 3 in a row and 1 to the side. Somebody else may have said, I saw 4, but I saw 1 and then 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's lots of different ways you can group them, but the idea is, how can we do it quickly without counting every dot if you already know one set? All right, I know I said that was the last one, but let's try one last one. Here we go. Think about, what did you see and how did you see it? What did you see? I saw 5. I saw four together and I knew it was four. And then I added one more on. So I went 4, 5. You may have said, oh, I saw two. And then I went 3, 4, 5. You may have done it a different way. That's what's so cool about math is that you could have done it a different way than me. But really, the idea isn't that we had to do it all the same. It was that we're thinking about how we can count quickly without counting every dot. So as you go off today and as you're counting, be thinking, can I already count on? Can I put a group together and count quicker than counting dot by dot or object by object? Off you go.